So I got this message from someone that one of my subscribers on YouTube has been trying to subscribe to Samwell AI and is not able to do that. This is the error message he has been getting. Now I can respond to him privately, but I want to do this publicly. But I chose to make this video so that any other person that has the same issue will benefit from it. So I'm going to walk you through the process of subscribing to Samwell AI. This process I'm going to tell you about works for any other platform that has the same issue. So I'm going to log on to samwell.ai now. I would have actually done a subscription to test this out and show you that it works. But I just got my PayPal account restricted. If you watched my earlier video, you'd have seen that. So I don't have access to those funds now. And yeah, so that's it basically. So this is Samuel AI. Honestly, I've never heard of this before. Before this person reached out to me through my Facebook account, yeah, because I have another account I use for I used to use SEOwriting.ai. That is what I used for all of my projects, and it's quite affordable and it is very close to human content. The pictures are also good. Anyway, so let's get to the business of the day. Now, most of these platforms, what they do is that they have an automation in place that it's able to find out your location, and it changes the currency, default currency, based on your location. So it's basically geolocation, right? Because I am visiting from Nigeria and my IP is public, my IP is reflecting to them as visiting from Nigeria. So they have billed me in naira. So 6,000 naira, 7,500, 10,500. Yeah. But the problem is the fact that this is reflecting in naira doesn't mean they're actually going to receive naira from me. It's just an amount, it's just a currency that is automatically detected. So what they are going to still receive from me will either be dollars, pounds, or some other currency. So thinking that because this is naira, that means my Nigerian ATM card will work. That is false. It will not work. Your Naira card will not work for this. This is not a Nigerian company. This is just an estimation, right? This is just a conversion. It doesn't necessarily mean that you can pay with your card. Yeah, because first of all, this company, they are not going to receive this money directly for themselves. They have a merchant, a payment merchant that will do it for them. And by the time I begin to check out, you will see. So let me say I want to subscribe for this, get this plan. Okay, see the checkout now. If you check this, see this address here. This is Stripe. Stripe doesn't work in Nigeria, right? They don't receive Naira. So your Naira card cannot work with Stripe. So whatever cannot work with Stripe wouldn't work here. Forget the fact that you are seeing the amount in Naira. So you need a USD card, to make this payment. Or maybe pounds or euros, stuff like that. But not Nigerian Naira will not work. All of this is just an estimation. So how do you solve this problem? First, you need to get a virtual USD card, right? And instead of seeing Naira, you don't need that. You need to actually see the the default currency, not the converted one. So what I'm going to do is to copy the URL of this and then open my Opera browser, which is available both in on desktop and on mobile. So open my VPN. If you don't see the VPN, then you have to come to your settings. Settings, not there. Sometimes it's quite difficult to locate. Okay, yeah, it's right here. You have to come to your settings. You come to features, not security, and then enable default search engines by. Then you enable VPN right here. If yours was this, you just turn it on. So it's going to be open on all of your windows. But if you don't do that, you can also open a private window and the VPN will be there by default. Yeah. So after doing that, you open this page, this same somewhere that we've been talking about, and you find out that the price that you saw in Naira is actually in dollars. Okay, it's in dollars. So this is the exact amount you are paying, and then get plan. So you either use a gray.co. These are the two virtual cards I've used, particularly Gray. If Gray doesn't work for you, use GeekPay. You can open either of the accounts. Okay, either one of them would work, and then you can fund these accounts with Naira. Then use the Naira to buy USD. You create a virtual card. They have a one-time fee, I think $5 to create the virtual card. After that, you come over here. I already have an account with Stripe, and that is why it is giving me these options. So let me pay without link. This is where you enter your gig pay or gray virtual card details. You enter it in here, and then for your country, you choose United States. The zip will be the zip of your virtual card that was created either with gray or gig pay. I use gray all of the time, and it has always worked. So that is how you resolve the issue. It's quite simple. I know you might be thinking about the cost of creating the virtual card, but you know that once you do it, you have the card. It is a one-time payment, and you're going to be using it for a lot of other online payments. So I think it is worth it. If this solves your problem for you, please let me know, and let me know if you have any other question. If you are not subscribed to my channel, I want to learn more about making money online, online stuff, especially being here in Nigeria. Please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.